Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can remove pattern or pin lock of iTel mobile. So first of all you need to unplug the battery, then put it again, and then you need to press volume up and down, and then you need to press power. As you can see, press power button and then keep press volume up and down, and when you see the iTel logo, you just need to leave the button. As you can see, I just need to press volume up and down and power, and when you see iTel, leave the power button and keep press the volume up and down until you get in the recovery mode. So here you can see we are in recovery mode. Now select wipe data factory reset, then select factory data reset, and that's all. Now this will reset your mobile and it will erase all your data like photo, videos and documents. So reboot system now, and this will take a few minutes to start up, so wait for it. Now I just fast forward video for you so we can finish it fast, but keep it in your mind, if your phone is bound with Gmail ID and password, you need to give your Gmail ID and password after the hard reset. And if you forgot your Gmail ID and password, then you can bypass FRP lock easily. You can see my other videos on it, how to bypass FRP lock. So as you can see, our phone is started up successfully and there is no pattern or pin lock, so you can use it freely now. But if there is FRP lock, for that you need to watch my other videos how to bypass FRP lock. Hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.